My name's Joseph, but I'm not your average show though. I will murk your whole team on a solo. Cause I'm massive in the game, you're a midget in the game. I'm like Pizza Hut and you're like Pizza Go. Me wife, oh that's a no-no. I never give no girl my last Rolos. Gang daddy's still getting thoughts of my girl going up and down.
I hope maybe. I hope I get. I broke that again and I'm making ends. None of them friends. I don't trust these hoes, so I made amends. And this big tape on my back. They was counting me out, you know you shouldn't have did that. All I got is now I die for it. If I love it with a passion, I'm around.
I'm just doing, I'm gonna warm up just with hundreds. Just like walk, jog the 10, like build into your stride, jog 80, like not fast, just like build up, and then walk the last 10, turn around. I'm just gonna do 4 of those, just like warm up our legs. I'm just gonna do 40s, out and back, 17 seconds on, 17 seconds off.
How many?
6 times. Then I'm gonna do hundreds. Jog 20, sprint 60, jog 20, but in the jog you can go as slow as you want. I'm gonna try to do 4 sets, 4 reps, 3 sets. It's good, continuous, and then in the jogs you can go as slow as you want, get your breath back. And then just 50s, 15 seconds on, 15 seconds off, 10 times. Then I'll see how much Ks